Hello, friends. I am asking y'all to take a walk with me down memory lane. On my 10th anniversary for my magazine, Cooking with Paula Deen magazine, we took each year of the 10 years and picked out the top recipes from that year.
And this was from April 2007.
Look at Teresa. She took the magazine home with her and forgot to bring it back. But she has gotten on her thing and she found it. 2007.
2007.
Ain't you good? So that was like our second year, right? So I was flipping through the magazine. I was just enjoying looking back over that particular issue. And one of these recipes really stuck out at me. I thought, golly bum, how long has it been since I made that? So we are gonna make it. It's chicken cakes with a Creole sauce. Now, our sauce doesn't take but a second, but I am heating a little bit of butter and I'm gonna throw my red bell pepper in, because we're gonna do this like I do my crab cakes. We're gonna soften these veggies in that celery, onions, and red bell pepper. And when that's done, we're gonna mix them all together. All right, I just had this on low heating. Turn it up a little bit. I think I need the other half of that butter. That's what I'm thinking. So there you go. I'll just have to add some more butter. All right. So we've got our mayonnaise. I'm going to have to keep looking back at the recipe. Like I said, 2007. Lord have mercy. What's that been, 17, 18 years? All right, our sour cream. I hope this is as good as I remember it. One clove of smashed garlic. And I do like using that garlic press because it gets your juice from your garlic, which is where all the flavor is in the juice. So that was lemon juice. This is Creole seasoning. And this is just regular yellow mustard. And I like regular mustard. I'm not a huge fan of Dijon's. But to each his own. Now this will last up to 3 days in your, oops. It'll last up to 3 days in your refrigerator. All right, so we got our vegetables. We simmered them, maybe 5 minutes until just kind of tender. And then we're gonna start, and that's our sauce. And we're gonna start mixing everything in. It calls for 2 beaten eggs, but I'm gonna lightly beaten. But I don't wanna put my eggs in there yet because that's hot. But I can go ahead and put our mayonnaise in there. That'll help cool it off. And our Dijon mustard. And a tablespoon of Worcestershire. And what is this? I think it's Creole seasoning. Don't remember.
It is.
Okay, good. Some Creole seasoning. Okay, so that all those other ingredients cooled it down. So it's safe to add the eggs now. Okie dokie. And we've got like 3 cups of chicken, I think it is. Like I said, I'm trying to remember from 2007, y'all. Not 17. Gosh, it's almost we're closer to 27. All right, so I'm going to stir in our chicken. And you can see it's pretty finely diced. Because we're going to make cakes out of these. All right, so a couple of tablespoons of butter. And I think I'm going to cut it with a little olive oil because butter by itself can burn. So, and the olive all in will help it from burning. All right, now we're going to add our panko. If you feel like it's necessary, you can always shape these in flour or dust them in some more panko, either way. But this should make 10 patties. So if you're feeding 5 people, that'll make it perfect. 2 patties apiece. You know what? I think in 2017, I left something out. And that's my garlic and onion powder. So I'm going to add just a little bit. That's the garlic. And this is the onion. Hopefully that'll enhance the fresh onion. Okie dokie. So it shouldn't take our oil and butter long to heat up. Now let's see if these are going to form a nice patty for me. I want you to work with me, baby. Work with me. Depending on how big you make these, that'll depend on how many you get. But to me, if you're serving 2 per person, that's a gracious plenty. 2 of those would fill the average person up pretty good, I think, because you're going to have some other things with it, I'm assuming. You know, and this would be good on slider buns. That would be right tasty. So we're not going to cook these but about maybe 2 or 3 minutes per side because everything is really done in there except for the egg. Guess who just walked in? He and Michelle, his daughter, have been out in the boat, and Captain just walked in the door. It's like he knows. I don't know what it is about him. But, oh, don't you pop on me. So, I'm so glad you came home when you did, Michael.
Me too. Perfect timing.
Oops, that's your plate.
Hey, buddy. Hey, little buddy.
I'm going to put you some Creole sauce on it. Bon appetit, Captain.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So how was the water today?
Oh, it was gorgeous.
It looks like a beautiful day. Where all y'all go?
The flat calm, we went around Bobby's house.
Oh, you did? Was he home?
We don't know.
I know. I was kidding.
It's
Okay.
delicious.
Good. I'm glad you like it. Michael, this was in my 2015 10th anniversary magazine, and we broke it down into years, you know, what the favorite recipes were for the year, each year. Well, that was one of them. You know, there was more than one.
Uh-huh.
So we were walking down memory lane today. So y'all have a great day. And I'm going to try to get this crew to eat a little something along with you and me. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.